over some of the search features of this database, of the Ebsco databases. As you can see on here, I already talked about projects and saved. You can also go to your recent activity and any alerts that you've set. If I wanted to set an alert for this search, I could go and click on these three dots and click on Create Search Alert. And then I would recommend renaming this to an alert, to a name that's instead of all the search terms, because we do have the search terms down there. You would change this to weekly, monthly, or daily. And let me go ahead and just rename this with what I have my research question here. And so maybe I want to set this at monthly. So then you can select frequency if you want it daily, monthly, weekly. I would probably recommend weekly versus monthly or daily. And then we have our query there, our expanders, our interface. And then if you want to get an email notification when it's run, even if it doesn't get any results, email when alert is created, your email address in the databases, and you click on create alert. Then you'll go to alerts over here and you'll see it in the alerts folder. So I don't have a journal alert, but this is a search alert. It's right here. And you can always edit these settings by edit alert. Also view your results or delete it. In addition, under research tools, there's a button to create a new search. Help is it goes to some tutorials and things like that Ebsco has available. Publication authority, this is like subject headings, subject authorities, Sentinel headlines, and mesh. And then underneath that, some of our library links, like getting to your library account, our A to Z database list, article finder, and research guides. So I'm just going to hit back here and go back to our search. Features on here, I can go ahead if I wanted to check results on this page. You can only check up to 50. I can save all 50 at the same time. I can add all 50 to my project. I can share, quote, or download if the full text is available in this database. I can also, by clicking on this little down arrow, I can export these results to Zotero. If I click on this and then put in my email address here, and then select RIS and send, this will be emailed to me. I will go over importing into Zotero in another video. As far as on the journal level, we have the title, some of the abstract here. If we want to read more, I click on show more. Some of the subject headings. To read more, I click on show more. I can get the generated AI insights about this particular article, and it gives you some bullet points about the article, gives you a summary. Under access options, I can download the PDF, or if it's not available in PDF, I can go and get it through fulltext Finder. This one here, this one you can read it online, full text online, or PDF. And this one here just gives you the option for full text finder. I'll go ahead and click on full text finder here. And then I can go ahead and check APU WorldCat Discovery. And if we have it, it'll be listed here. Otherwise, you go ahead and you click on Request from Interlibrary Loan. And then you can scroll down and, oh, the one thing is you need to make sure this is article. and then scroll down and click on copyright acknowledgement and submit. Once you click submit, it will be submitted, and then you'll get an email when it's available, so usually 2 to 4 business days. And with the article, it'll also be posted onto your library account. So you can go to your library, click on our account, and then click on view requests to get to it. Going back to Ebsco, the Ebsco interface here, I can click on the article title to see more information about this. As you can see, we can download it. We have all of the index information, title, abstract, subject headings, language, DOI, etc. We also can click on publication contents and see some of the sources that it's referenced. You can save it here, so you can save it to your folder. You can cite this by clicking on Cite and go down to APA. As with the old interface, be sure you double check these to make sure they're correct. Copy it to your clipboard and save it wherever, paste it wherever you want it. You can add this to your project. So maybe I want to go ahead and add this to my project, and it will go on the project. I can share this, so I can share it to Google Drive, or I can create a link, or I can email it and then download it. You can also use the link in the address bar to get back to this article as well. So if you can just share that to get back to it as well. And then anytime that you might need help, you can use the chat with a librarian, and we have librarians available. If a librarian is not available from APU, you can chat with a librarian from another school.